My video will help you to remove the ransomware called SNS. This SNS ransomware is from the makeup family. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So it actually encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Anyway, very soon people realize that they can no longer open their files. So the ransomware also reveals this ransom note where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. It also changes the desktop background into this one, and it is impossible to open the files. I recommend you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. To remove the ransomware, use Cleaner. Get it on the page cleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the computer. After you start Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.